Hey y'all, I'm Jasmine, and today I'm going to walk you through my skincare routine using products from L'Oreal Paris. Now, if you have oily or combination skin like me, and you also have dark marks from post-acne scarring, this is going to be the skincare routine for you. Let's get into it. When it comes to establishing your skincare routine, the first thing you want to do is cleanse. Now, if you wear makeup like me, I like to do a double cleanse. So first, you want to use like a oil cleanser to get off all of that makeup, and then go in with a gentle cleanser for your skin. After using your cleanser, you want to go ahead and rinse this off of your face. After cleansing my face, I like to go in with a clean towel and just pat dry my face. Next, we want to target those dark marks by using the Bright Reveal Dark Spot Exfoliate Peel. Now, before dispensing this product, you want to shake it side by side. That's just going to make sure your product is ready to use. Again, you want to apply this on clean skin. After adding a few drops to my face, I'm just using my finger to smooth it over the skin. Now, this is a powerful exfoliant, so you want to avoid using this on your eyes and your lips. This has a blend of AHA, BHA, and PHA acids, which helps reduce dark marks and renew the skin. Now, once you finish glazing this over your skin, you want to let it sit for 15 minutes. After you let this sit, you want to go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Once you rinse it off, you want to go ahead and dry your skin with a clean towel again. Now, this isn't a product that you need to do every single day. I would recommend doing this about 4 times a week during your nighttime skincare routine. My skin already feels refreshed and it looks a little bit more smooth, if I do say so myself. Now, the next step in my skincare routine, I like to go in with my serums. I apply the Bright Reveal 12% niacinamide and amino sulfonic and ferulic acid dark spot serum. This serum is lightweight and non-greasy and also works to help fade those dark spots. Now, you only need to use 3 or 4 drops in the morning and at nighttime, and then focus it on those areas where you have those dark marks and hyperpigmentation. And then you want to make sure you press it into the skin, especially in those areas where you have any post-acne scarring. I feel like my skin is starting to look flawless already. I'm gonna lock everything in with the Bright Reveal Vitamin C Glow Moisturizer. Applying this will give you a boost of hydration and help to brighten the skin with that vitamin C. This moisturizer is very lightweight, so it sits comfortably on the skin. It's so important on the days that you exfoliate to make sure you apply a moisturizer that's going to replenish and soothe the skin. For the last step in my skincare routine, I like to go ahead and layer on some SPF on top of that moisturizer just to make sure we're protecting our skin after exfoliating. And just like that, my skin looks more balanced, and I do feel like overall it looks a little bit more even. Now, my advice to you is to stay consistent with your skincare routine, because brightening those dark spots can take time. But if you trust the process and stick to your routine, your skin will thank you. Now, if you're interested in more information about these products or where to buy, make sure you check out l'orealparisusa.com or click the link below. Bye!